like you. You do too much whinging and complaining.
The main purpose of this channel right here is for me to talk to the people that want to hear what I have to say. And I'm taking it for granted that they're bright enough to differentiate between someone who is complaining and someone who is telling them about the conditions that they are dealing with. It's been a bit of a problem from the beginning with people making comments like that, saying I'm doing too much complaining, or as a certain portion of the population, the world population, likes to put it, whinging. Whinging is one of my least favorite words. When I hear that, I can immediately tag the person that's saying it as a total asshat. You typically only use that word if you're a whinger yourself. So many months ago, I added that word to the list of words in the filter so that if you use it in a comment, at least if you spell it correctly in a comment, it won't delete it. It will put it in a review folder where I can go read it. No one else will see it, only the person that wrote it and me. And if I choose to let it go through, I'll approve it. If I don't, it's gone. Typically, when someone uses that word, they're gone as well, because I know the type of person that uses that word. And some of you are probably going to say, well, that's censorship, John. That's, what are you, some sort of dictator there or something? What about free speech, man? I said it before, there's no free speech on my channel, okay? When you make a comment in the comment section, I take that as someone walking in through the door of my shop and saying something to me standing here inside my shop. So if I judge what they're saying to be insulting or belittling, I'm going to ask them to leave. Not so politely sometimes. Depends upon how nasty they are. And I'm not going to argue about it. I'm just going to do it. They're gone. It seems like more and more lately, people get the feeling that they can just enter your comment section and take a big steaming dump right there on the floor for you to look at and get away with it. That is simply not the case here, though. I read all the comments on this channel, and if I see any, steaming mounds, I shovel them up and I get rid of them, okay? I don't leave the steaming mound there to walk in the next time or, to stink up the place. I take it out. I throw it away.
Hey, look at you. I don't like you. You do too much whinging and complaining. Hey, you.